Hi, my name is David Hawkins. I'm from KULE Designs. I'm here to show you the easiest and fastest way to install a 6-foot or an 8-foot buffet table cover. Okay, the first thing you want to do with your table is make sure that the legs are locked in place under there on both ends. Alright? The next thing, this is what your table cover looks like when it's not installed. Alright? There's two seams on this cover. The first one's a big seam that goes all the way around the top of the table cover, which will end up, that seam will end up underneath this edge of the table. The other seam is on the end of the table cover, which is what you want to locate, and that seam goes from this edge down to the bottom of the table cover. Alright? That seam is right here like this, and you can identify it quickly by looking inside, and you'll see the seam, and our label is right there on the seam, sewn in. It's in between two black Velcro pockets, these pockets for the legs of the table. Alright? So once you've got that located, then you want to take that seam and pull it over the table just like that. And as you're pulling it over, you kind of adjust it, and you'll see the corners of the table of the cover starting to kind of fall into place. Once you've got that in place, you pull it on down. You grab the other pocket like this, just grab one at a time and pull it under this side of the table. Grab the other corner, pull it under also, and now you can see the table, the seam, coming into place on top. Now you got to get that underneath this edge. So the way to do that is grab that corner like that, grab some of the fabric there, and just pull at the same time, just like that. It's real easy. Do the same thing on this side, pull it under there like that, and you're set. Your table at the top is in place. Okay, so the next thing you got to do is you got to get the legs of the table set. So you lift the table up like that. This is why you need those legs locked in place, so that it doesn't break down. Okay? So the way to do this is you reach under like that, and you pull the pocket, which is right there. Put your fingers inside that pocket, and pull it down over the leg, just like that. Put the leg inside that pocket like that. Don't pull the leg down like that and just drop it under. First time you run under concrete on that, you're going to pop a hole in the cover like that, right there. So grab the fingers inside the pocket again, like that. Grab some of the fabric, pull it down, slide the table in the pocket just like that, and you're set. Switch hands, and do it just like this. Now I've got the table up like this, real easy. It's kind of balancing on itself. That way we're not wrestling with it one way or another. Okay, we got that side done. Come over to this side, lift it up, and do the same thing. Grab the pocket, do one at a time. On that side, pull this one on that side, and you're set. Okay, your table cover is now installed, and the only thing you have left to do is check to make sure that there's the seams and everything's in the right place. Right here we can see the seam coming up. All you got to do is adjust it, just pop it under like that, smooth it out a little bit, you're good to go. You can install about 10 of these table covers in the time it takes you to put the other table covers on with the Velcro clips and the skirting. The time it takes you to put all those on, about 10 of these bad boys. Alright? Uninstalling and taking off is even faster. The breakdown, all I do is lift it up again, undo that side, set it down, pull one side over the corner, pull the other side over the corner, and let it go. Make sure there's nothing on top so you don't fling it across the room. Alright? There you go. You're done.